Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this 8 hosting review. For those of you out there who are looking for a web host and you're looking for a host that aren't going to hike up the prices on you all of a sudden, like a lot of the well-known hosts, you know, they have these special offers for $2.95 a month or 88 cents a month. And then when you start using it after a year, they get hiked up to like $11.95, $12.95, you know, 400% increases. It's very sneaky marketing tactics. 8 hosting is something you're going to want to look into. They already have 50,000 users. They're a growing host. One thing they haven't done is adopted cPanel, which is setting a lot of companies up now for a big fall because cPanel have decided that they are not going to only charge now per server, they're going to start charging per user. So a lot of those prices for cPanel are going to go up. Therefore, the prices of hosting are also going to go up. 8 web hosting, they're using a different kind of platform. You can still do all the same things, has all the same functionality as cPanel, but they're not going to be hit with that. Basically, the big selling point with 8 web hosting is what you see is what you get, and what you get is a lot. We're going to take a deep dive in today, see exactly what you get, exactly why a lot of people are raving about it, as you can see on your screen right now. As well as that, I've also sourced some really cool bonuses, really helpful bonuses that are going to help you out if you are looking to buy a domain, set up an online business. I've got a bunch of bonuses there that are going to help you hit the ground running when it comes to that. One thing, if you stick around during this video, I do have some discount codes for you that I'm going to throw up at the end of this video, so do stick around until then. Before we get into that though, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, hit subscribe and turn on that little bell notification if you want to stay updated with new platforms, new software coming out almost every day. Now, really quickly, if you also want to jump ahead anytime during this video, you can click the link in the description, and that way you'll be entitled to my free bonuses. So you have legal stuff at the top here, my contact details if you run into any problems, and the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the official 8 web hosting page. So if you click on any of these green buttons, that locks in all of these bonuses before then sending you off to the 8 web hosting sales page. So if you do decide to purchase a plan, any plan whatsoever, even the bare minimum plan, you will be sent my bonuses along with your 8 web hosting credentials, all in one big bundle that you can access immediately. So a lot of value here. The first bonus is called 7-Figure Mastery that I've gotten for you. And that's a 32-part video course on really everything that you need to know that goes into setting up an online business. Setting up a blog with right SEO practices, on-page and off-page SEO, how to take advantage of forums, a little bit on e-com, a little bit on driving traffic from social media, just really everything, different content strategies, different paid strategies, using even Google ads, Facebook ads, that's all in there as well. Just a massive bundle there, massive course. If you're new to making money online, this is a proven entity here. This really has helped out a lot of people. Second bonus I've gotten for you is 2 plugins for your WordPress site. One is Biz Landing Page. So if you're not great at designing pages, and if you're not really looking to set up a blog per se, you just want to have that one main landing page with a call to action. Those are the pages that are proving to convert more these days. Biz Landing Page plugin is going to help you do that really easily. As well as that, I've gotten you a Sales Booster plugin, and this is going to give you options to add on to your landing pages or blog pages, like you know, off-click pop-ups. So if someone leaves your page, there'll be a pop-up that says, "Hey, wait, you know, here's a discount," or whatever you want it to say. We've got sales buttons, attractive sales buttons, and also countdown timers, which create scarcity. And they're just really good tools for compelling people to not leave your site so quick. It compels them to buy. Bonus number 3 I've gotten for you is a 5-part bonus, usually sold separately. It's a social media income, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Pinterest version. So this is really all about how to drive audiences to whatever it is you're doing online, your blog, your landing pages. If you want to drive traffic, you don't want to just rely on SEO and play the passive defensive role. You want to go on offense. You want to go out and get those people. You need to know how to be able to communicate on each platform. These are going to go into all of that on all of the major platforms. The fourth bonus I've got for you goes specifically into Facebook groups. It's called Facebook Groups Unleashed, and this is for those of you who want to utilize sort of a underutilized source of traffic that are not a lot of people are utilizing, and you want to do that in order to drive people to your website, to your landing pages, to your stores, or whatever it is you're doing. Facebook groups, something I use. Really great package here that you can learn about how to do that effectively. Bonus number 5, I've got a new $1 million copy, and when I was first setting up my first websites and blogs and things like that, one thing that I had to look into later on was copy. And copy is great for your landing pages, it's great for your emails, video copy, even the things you're saying can be said in a certain way that basically trigger emotions. That's what copy is. It's writing in a way that triggers emotions, hits on pain points, compels people to buy, and just really valuable to know a little bit of copy. You don't have to be an expert, but a difference in how your copy looks goes a really long way. So I threw this in there as well. I think it will help you no matter what you're doing. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step 1. Click the link in the description. That will send you to my bonus page. Lock in these bonuses with these green buttons here. That will launch you off to the 8 web hosting sales page, which looks like this. I'd recommend going through it in your free time, learning all about it, learning what's on offer, comparing it with other websites and other hosting plans, looking at testimonials, looking at the demo. There's so much on offer here, and they're really beating off the competition on price big time. And there's so many different offers. If you do decide to purchase, if you go again through to my bonus page, there is a bit on pricing here, a lot of different options, a lot of different add-ons, but I will say that you only need the regular launch price $27 package, which is 1 website, 1 gig storage, 1 SSL certificate. You do only need that if you want access to all of the bonuses that I just talked about. So don't feel like you need all these offers. I would recommend going through all these offers though, looking at the one-time offers, depending on how many websites you want. Do you want to pay just for 1 year? Do you want to pay upfront for 8 years using a massive discount? As you're going through the buying process, you will see the different options that are available to you. You can choose the right ones. Comes with a full money back guarantee, so I do recommend getting in sooner rather than later. If you look on your screen right now, there will be discount codes there, so really the more you get for the less price, the sooner you get in, so I wouldn't hesitate. Also, because when this countdown timer hits 0, the bonuses will no longer be available, neither will any of those discount prices, so do get in early. If you have any questions, feel free to message me in the comments on social media or in email. I do reply to absolutely everybody, check multiple times a day. If not, I hope you enjoy 8 web hosting. I know you're going to get a lot out of it. I know you're going to get a ton out of the bonuses, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Take care.